Hey.
Hey!
So, Alexandra, do you want to go on a date?
Oh, I can't.
Why not?
Because,
Is there a reason?
well, because
Because what?
it's just that, yeah.
What?
Speak like a native.
With cake! Hi, I'm Alexandra.
And I'm Alex, and today, let's give good reasons why we can or can't do something.
We'll go over some English expressions you can use when you're coming up with excuses, or maybe good reasons why you can't do something. Let's start with something that requires time that you don't have at this moment. Maybe someone asks questions like these. Do you have time for dinner now? Or do you have time to meet up?
You don't have time, so you can say, now is not a good time, or it's not a good time right now. Hello?
Hey, Alex, can you help me clean the house?
Oh, sorry, now is not a good time. How about tomorrow?
But our party is tonight.
He shoots, he scores!
Are you watching the game now?
No, it's, no?
What if someone asks you to do something in the future? They might ask you, are you free tomorrow? Or do you have time tomorrow?
You might have time, or you might not. You think you have something, but you're not sure. Say, I think I'll be busy then. Or you can say, I think I have plans then.
Then let's move the party to tomorrow. Can you clean the house tomorrow? Are you free then?
Actually, I think I'll be busy then.
Are you going to be watching tomorrow's game too?
No, I'm, going to be studying.
Someone might suggest something you really want to do, and they'll add, how does that sound? They're asking for your opinion.
You want to do it, but you're busy at the time your friend suggests. Use one of these two phrases. Maybe next time. Or, rain check?
Hey, let's clean the house now, then we can watch a movie. How does that sound?
Oh, sounds good. But maybe next time. I'm super busy right now.
Alex, I know you're watching the game.
No? Trying to learn English? Stop with the excuses and download the Cake app today. How does that sound?
And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.